In this video I'm going to go over the definition of stored on item and show you how to use the parts that are stored on item. You digitize a wall, and if the wall here is 12 feet high, this is for the metal studs in this window where it asks you for the wall height in the item's property window. So the wall height for the metal studs is going to be 12 feet. We'll click OK on that, and now we have a half-inch board 4 feet high on one side and half-inch regular 8 feet high on the same side on top of the 4-foot board, and then we have 5/8 type X 12 feet high on the other side of the wall. So we have 3 different types of board on this one wall. So we're going to choose an assembly that is stored on the item, SOI. We'll double click on that and we'll answer the question here, enter the wall height. Well, the first type of board is calling out for half-inch mold moisture resistant gypboard 4 feet high. So we'll put 4 feet high for the wall here, and it's only going on one side. We're going to use a 12-foot board. We're going to pay 11 cents a square foot. The finisher is going to do 4 foot high, one side, 12-foot board, 12.5 cents a square foot. The type X is 4 foot high. It's using mold moisture resistant, and it's half-inch. So we'll change this to half-inch, and it's going on one side. And we'll click OK. We have to tell the screws 4 foot high, and finish on through the menu and click OK. Now let's click another stored on item part, same part. We'll just change the wall height for the 8 foot high wall. Inner wall height 8 feet, one side, 12-foot board. Wall height is 8 feet, one side, 12-foot board, 8 feet, half-inch regular, one side, 8 feet, one side. OK. Now double click on the part one more time, stored on item, and we'll get the other side of the wall, which is 12 feet high. So we'll put 12 feet, one side, 12 feet, one side, 12 feet. It's 5/8 type X, one side, 12 feet high, one side. OK. Now we have all our parts stored on item. We have 3 different types of drywall at 3 different heights. We have the 4x12 half-inch mold moisture resistant 5 boards, 5 boards, 5 boards. 4x12 half-inch regular, 10 boards, 10 boards, 10 boards. 5/8 type X, we have 15 boards, 15 and 15. So that's how I wrote the stored on item, because there's so many walls that take so many different types of material. And if this was a restaurant where they wanted 12 inches of Durarock on the bottom, and then they wanted mold moisture resistant 4 feet on top of that, and then they wanted a 4-foot piece of plywood on top of that. So this way you can build the wall any way you want using the stored on item. This concludes this video.